Hello friends, in this video we will going to cover another important topic for NEET PG, which is bone tumors. Every year one question is definitely asked from this topic, so do watch full video. First of all, first investigation for any bone tumors is X-ray of a particular region. Then CT scan is done for extent of tumor and cortical lesions, and CT scan is investigation of choice for osteodosteoma. Then MRI is used for extension to marrow, micrometastasis and soft tissue involvement. Then MRI is radiological investigation of choice for most of the tumors except for osteodosteoma. For this particular video, we have divided tumors into three types, which are epiphyseal tumors, metaphyseal tumors and diphyseal tumors. First of all, epiphyseal tumors are chondroblastoma and giant cell tumors. Then metaphyseal tumors are osteochondroma, osteosarcoma and bone cysts. And diphyseal tumors are osteodosteoma, Ewing sarcoma. There are some other metaphyseal and diphyseal tumors, but we will discuss only important ones for NEET PG. First of all, epiphyseal tumors. First is chondroblastoma, which is also known as Codman tumor. It is epiphyseal tumor. An X-ray will show well-defined lucent lesions with a thin sclerotic rim arising eccentrically in the epiphysis, usually of our long tubular bones. So we can say it is epiphyseal tumor with surrounding calcification. Next epiphyseal tumor is giant cell tumor. It is one of the most repeatedly asked questions. It occurs after skeletal maturity, so the growth plate will be closed, as you can see in the X-ray. And in X-ray it will show eccentric expansile lesion just under the articular surface, that is at epiphysis, having characteristic soap bubble appearance. And if this tumor involves metaphysis, it usually spreads from epiphysis, and the commonly involved sites are lower end of radius, upper end of tibia and upper and lower end of femur. Then coming to metaphyseal tumors. First is osteochondroma. It is classically sessile or pedunculated lesion, that is exostosis. In X-ray you can see metaphyseal lesion projecting away from the epiphysis, or they go towards the diaphysis, so it is known as diaphyseal eclysis. Some book also says it is outgrowth from growth plate. And bony growth is usually covered by cartilaginous cap, which is not seen in the X-ray. So clinically there will be big mass compared to as seen in the X-ray. The next metaphyseal lesion is osteosarcoma. It usually presents in the second decade of the life. And X-ray features are Codman's triangle, that is triangular bony growth seen at the angle of lifting of periosteum. And it also gives characteristic sunray, sunburst or speculated appearance, as you can see in this X-ray. The next important topic is unicameral or simple bone cyst and aneurysmal bone cyst. This both cyst occurs before maturity, so in X-ray you will see open growth plate. And in simple bone cyst you can see single circumscribed cystic lesion. And if cortex breaks under the cyst, you can see fallen leaf sign. An aneurysmal bone cyst is multiloculated multicystic eccentric lesion with cortical breach. Then coming to diphyseal tumors. First is osteodosteoma. It is usually occur in long tubular bones of the limbs, and in X-ray you can see it forms cystic cavity visible as well circumscribed lucent region, occasionally with central sclerotic dot. Its typical presentation will be night pain, which is relieved by aspirin, and as we discussed, investigation of choice is CT scan. The next is Ewing sarcoma. It is diphyseal lesion, arises from medullary cavity of long bones. It is destructive lucent lesions in the shaft of long bones with large soft tissue involvement. It also gives onion peel or lamelated appearance, but it is not specific for Ewing sarcoma, as it is also seen in other conditions too. And this is the table in which you can see appearance and in which tumor it is present. You can take screenshot if you want. And this table shows list of tumors with its most common sites. And this itself will give you the hint in the exam for identification of the X-ray. So friends, this was all about this video. I hope you liked the content. We will upload more such content in our future videos. So do like and subscribe our channel and also share it among your friends. Thank you.